Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 12 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we're going to bring in a posture called Purvottanasana, which is another forward fold, which really gets into the hamstrings. It can be quite challenging, but as always, we'll have some options for our beginners class. So come to seated, all fours or standing, whatever your base is. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Just take a few moments to feel grounded and connected to the breath. Gentle squeeze of Mula Bandha, connected to the Ujjayi breath. We'll begin as always with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Vande Gurunam Charna Ravinde Samdaj Satsva Supara Bodhe Nishte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Hala Moha Shantiye Abahu Purushikaram Shanka Chakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So we'll begin in Samasthiti. Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. One, so just settle in here, this first one. Two, establish your drishti. If you need to lift and lower the heels, please do. Three, we're on all fours or seated, just stay connected to the breath, fold forward through the upper body. Four, relax the neck if you're in downward dog. And five, look forwards. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold. Remember, you can bend your knees. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samasthiti. And again. Inhale to lift, ekam. Dve, exhale, fold. Trini, inhale, lift the chest, hands stay on the floor. Chatvare, exhale, chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, back bend of choice. Shat, exhale, downward dog. One. So remember, your downward dog may be child pose. Two. It may be just a release of the chin to the chest. Three. Do what you can. Four. And settle into the breath. And five. Up onto the toes, look forwards. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold, head dangles. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samasthiti, Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, sit back, Utkatasana. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog, right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. You might just be doing the arms. Exhale, all the way down. Maybe you can bring your knees down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog, left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Try and keep the hips level. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. One. Steady breathing. Two. Three. Firm the muscles of the legs. If you're in downward dog, reach the heels down. Four. Push up into the shoulder blades. And five. Look forwards. Supta, inhale, come through. Ashtar, exhale. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. We'll do one more round. Inhale, sit back. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and low. Remember, alternate the legs. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Keep bending into that front knee. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Keep the back heel down. Also, that grounds you. Exhale, all the way down. Very good. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. 1. Even out the breath. 2. See where you can relax. 3. Bandhas Dristi Ujjayi. 4. 5. Look forward. Inhale, come through. Exhale to fold. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastitihi. So Purvottanasana. Inhale, take a big step out to the right side and pivot the feet in the same direction. From here, you might bring your hands to your hips so you can square the hips forwards. If you can live with the balance, then you might line the heels up, but if that feels too much, take the feet much further apart and take the toes out a bit more of the back leg. Find your breath. Some options here. So you might keep the hands on the hips. You might bring the fists together at the lower back, or you might be able to lift the chest and bring the palms of the hands together. If the heels of the hands are kind of coming apart, that's your cue to go down to the fists. Stay happy. Inhale, lift the chest. So I'm staying with the fists. Exhale, begin to fold forwards. 1. So you might fold just a little way. 2. If you have any lower back issues or just for comfort, you might micro bend that front knee. 3. Keep weight in the back heel. So even weight distribution, you might continue to fold forward over the front leg. 4. Your dristi is the big toe if you're kind of halfway down. If you're all the way down, you can let go of the head. See where you need to be. 5. Squeeze Mula Bandha. Inhale, press up. Exhale. Change direction. Keep the arms exactly as they are. Whatever option you're taking. Square the hips. Make sure you've got a steady base. Inhale, lift. Exhale, begin to fold. 1. So take it easy. This can feel pretty strong in the hamstring. 2. Make sure that you're not locking the knees. 3. Good. Equal weight distribution. Remember, gaze towards your big toe. Keep your focus. 4. Unless your belly is on the thigh, then let the head dangle. Steady breathing. Nearly there. And 5. Inhale, press into the front heel to lift up, release the hands, square the feet, take the arms out, good, and exhale, step through, Samastitihi. From here, we'll move to the final 3. Inhale to lift, exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen, exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Now you might take a seated vinyasa. Inhale, step, jump through to seated. Final 3 should be familiar for you now. So we begin with Baddha Padmasana. Choose your leg position with the outstretched. No lotus, half lotus or full lotus. Arms behind the back. Inhale to lift. Exhale, folding. 1. Remember your dristi. Pinocchio. 2. Good. Slow the breath down. 3. Try to relax into that retracted exhale. 4. You may already have reached where you need to be, in which case you can just let go of the head. 5. Maintain that drishti. 6. 7. This is also known as yoga mudra. 8. As we begin to seal all the energy in from the practice. 9. And 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor. Inhale, come up. Exhale, Padmasana. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, chin to chest. 1. 2. Same drishti. 3. Remember your straight lines of energy. 4. Breath moving in the nostrils. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Inhale, look up. Exhale, release. Utplati hi. Hands to the sides of the hips. Inhale, exhale, lifting. 1. So engage if you can. 2. Lift up if you can. 3. Keep looking forwards. 4. Really spread out the fingers. Use your hands like you would use your feet. 5. That's it. Stay strong. 6. Maybe you can lift the feet. Just see. 7. Belly in. 8. Push down with the shoulders. 9. 10. Exhale, release. Well done. Circle out the wrists. We've got the final vinyasa to freedom. I'm going to take you seated. Feel free to jump back into chaturanga, lower the body. Inhale to lift. Back bend of choice. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. And exhale, step jog or jump through to seated. From here, we come down for our final shavasana. Stretch out the legs, stretch out the arms, relax the ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale out through the mouth. And again, big inhale. Exhale. Last one, big inhale. Exhale. Allow the body and mind to drift towards stillness. And beginning to integrate the practice of yoga on a deeper level. Resting here for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, please do. Otherwise, deepen the breath. Bring some movements to fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And then take a long inhale as you stretch back through fingers and toes. And exhale. Bend in the knees, bend in the elbows, have a squeeze, a hug, a rock until you can roll to one side. Pause in there for a moment of gratitude. And then inhale as you lever yourself back up. Come into a comfortable seated position. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra as we gently bow the head. We give thanks for our practice and our health. Then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So thank you for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed the class, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you for the rest of this challenge. Take care.